Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for daily tasks. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, and make sure you are logged in into an account. If you have an account, if you don't, go and create an account. Once you're logged in, as an example, you can go and create a workspace if you don't have one and start creating some boards as well. So as an example, let me just go and access a board in here. I do have a board like a good template for like daily tasks. Oh yeah, this organized example. So example, I have here a template. This has some lists. Each list, example, has its own tasks. So example, I have lists like things that I need to do in the mornings, things I need to do after lunch, things I need to do in evening, things that I'm done with, and things as example to do for tomorrow. And each list, of course, you can create another list if you have something like that. So example, you can create a test list and add all the tasks that you want on it. It's totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to archive it. So, and here as an example, once you finish a task, you can simply check it as finished, and you can take it, as an example, to this done list, like you did it, or this is what I did today. You can even take or add, change the list. As example, this I done it in Monday. I don't know, maybe the last day of like January or something like that. It's totally up to you to use or to do whatever you want with the titles, and you can customize this basically however you want. And yeah, that's how you basically use it for daily tasks. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.